Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for key fob. Okay, the battery is in there, CR2032. Yeah, battery's in there. If you squeeze the button at the end here, you squeeze it, the cover will pop out like that. You see that? Pull it away. Remove the metal blade. Insert the screwdriver all the way in, and then you twist it like that. See, it open. Yep. And then go to the side, twist it again slightly, bit by bit. Go here as well, slowly. And then here's the battery, CR2032 battery. Pry the battery out like that. Yeah. Okay, CR2032 battery. To replace it, go in like that. Yeah, line the key fob up. Yeah, make sure that the top go in. See, go in. See that? Go in and press it down. Yeah, insert the key. Go in like that, and then the cover go on like that. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.